Hello instructor, here is the project demo for Group5 Tug Of Logic, and I'm showing you the backend code for the server side with using Flag by Python. And here is our code have been deployed into Amazon Web Service. For the deployment, we just simply upload on the file from the local to Amazon Web Service, and next install the required package. Here I'm using by Mongo Engine and Socket.io, and we already installed their package here. So at the moment we just simply run the backend code by Python app.py here, and don't forget to copy the IP address from the share to put it into the config file from our app here, like this. I will run the app later on, but first I just would like to show you the backend. And here is the MongoDB that we have created for the project. We have totally 5 collection like game, main claim, reason nameplate, user, and the vote, and we use this thing to run the game. I just create some dummy data for this demonstration. Here you can see I will have some user like student 2, student 1, and the instructor, and some XML main claim which will be loaded into the app afterward. For this demo today, I will run the app in totally 3 devices. First, I need to run this on multiple devices. It includes 2 virtual machines and 1 real device from my phone, and just simply run. Oops. Here is the main activity of the app. We can choose to go to the student part or the instructor part. I will choose this one as the instructor part. Here we can decide to create a new game or go to the current game, but at the moment there are no current range, so that this button will be disabled. Sorry for this one. And the next will be, I will show you the operation of the main claim. Here I have 2 repair main claim which I show in the MongoDB before. We also can add a new main claim here like the word is flag, and I add it. At the moment we don't have the feature to auto refresh the activity here, so I just switch to this one and switch back, and the main claim have been loaded from the MongoDB to this activity. I can also edit this one, like the word is here, not flag. Then I edit it. As before, we not have the feature to refresh the list yet, so that I just go here and back here. Just wait for a while. Yep, here. Now the update has been affected. Now we can also delete the main claim. Just go here and back, and the deleted main claim is gone. For the statistic, it's load the game that not currently run, and we can have also view the game daytime, the number of the game has been happened, and the main claim of the game. But here there are no main claim for this game because this game is for just testing the dummy data. Sorry. And now I will show you the feature of create a new game from the instructor. Now I create a new game. Here's a random number which will be generated when a new game create. From here, the student can see the game room and join the game with the this about the networking. I just I will create another game. Here the student can see the game number matched with the game here and choose the username to log into the game. Here I choose student 1, and I can see there an instructor and a student in the game. I will use my device to log into the game to see that the socket I/O work perfectly. I will use the name student 2 to log into the game. Now we have 2 students and 1 instructor for the game. Now the instructor can choose the main claim for the game, then the student can discuss and vote for the logic among the other student and make the decision which side of the logic that they are follow. We have 2 main claim at the moment. Sorry for that, because the network sometimes. Here we are, and here we can choose the main claim to start the game. I choose this one, and we can choose multiple main claim, but this one I just choose one. And now the student will be tagged to the screen that can be vote or vote for straw voting, that the student will agree to the side of the logic, like agree or disagree with the main claim, or vote to discuss or vote to drop the main claim. For this student, I will agree and vote to discuss. Here is the ID of the main claim will display, and for the other student, I just disagree and vote for drop. But at the moment, we are not implement. We didn't implement the feature to select the main claim based on the vote of the student. We let the instructor choose the main claim from this screen. Let's start discussing. Sorry, I have to go in. Here I can choose the main claim to discuss. Here when I click on this one, all the student will be put into the discussion room. Each student can push the card or their opinion into this card and vote for that in the participation reason. Here we have 2 reasons in play already here, with one belong to student 2 and one belong to student 3. I will add another reason in play here, like I am neutral. Here I just choose a card that I'm neutral to this main claim, and then it will be put into the discussion board. And if I in another font, I try to write something. Here is my opinion and put to the port. I will receive a new notification here when I come here, and then back I will receive another opinion, and it's this screen I can vote for each reason in play, like I agree with this one or disagree with this one, and then agree with this one and disagree with this one. On the vote will be stored in the database, and each student can only vote once. They cannot vote again after they click the button here. In the student gameplay, we also create a game board and the script, but we don't have enough time to implement this board, and the student can choose the size and the idea to support or not support to the reasoning play here by click on this button. But we didn't implement this one yet. We just had a UI here, and at the moment when the student finish discussion, the instructor can make the decision that stop discuss, and when the instructor can also see what the student is discussed by seeing on the discussion card and see on the vote here. The instructor can also vote for himself, and in the end of the day he can choose end the game to see what will happen with the game. In this screen, the instructor can see which main claim will be vote for the strawberry vote, and which reason in play will be discussed, and the number of the agree with disagree, and begin and end, begin and end, like this. This is the end of the life cycle of the game, and that's now we can go back to the main screen. That's our on of our feature for this project, for this game. Thank you, instructor.